Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making panzanella. It's an Italian Tuscan type of salad that's very tasty. It's tangy, not sweet, but really delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna make the dressing first. The dressing takes half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, let's get all the oil out, and then you're gonna just put everything in the bowl. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and let's see, 2 teaspoons of garlic, and 3 tablespoons of any kind of wine vinegar, whether red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, champagne vinegar, or you can even use balsamic if you like. Okay, just put them all together. And all you do is you whisk it. And the mustard will kind of emulsify everything and make it a little thick. So you just whisk it until it's sort of a little bit thickened. Okay. Now for the salad, I have here a number of things. Let's see, wait, put this here. This is some tomatoes. Maybe this is about 2 tomatoes, but these, I had some from the garden, so these are some mixed tomatoes, baby heirloom tomatoes, just cherry tomatoes, so different colors and sizes. So I just cut them up. I put some red onion and white onion slices, some orange bell peppers. You can use yellow bell peppers, different colors. I think these the colored peppers are milder and not so strong like the green bell peppers. And then a bunch of cucumbers that I diced up, and these are the Persian cucumbers, which are kind of small, so they're very crispy and nice. Okay, and then I have here some capers, about a tablespoon or so, and I have some fresh basil from my yard. You can break it up if you like, if they're kind of big, or just leave it as is. And I'll just put some in there. And then this is some mixed artisan breads. I had here some rye and regular bread that was marbleized, so that's why you see that. My granddaughter thought this was cinnamon. She said, "What are you doing making cinnamon croutons?" I said, "No, those are not." And then I just had the regular sourdough type of bread. And this is very easy to do. Even my grandson, he was picking on it, and he says, "Grandma, how do you make this?" So I said, all you do is you get a big skillet and heat it up and put about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, heat it up some, and throw your bread cubes in it and just keep on mixing it, and until it becomes very brown and crisp. You can see how crispy it is. So then you can put some of this to your liking. And if you're not going to eat all of the salad right away, you might want to put the croutons when you're eating, because it'll get kind of soggy. Like if you leave it a few hours or you leave it overnight, it'll get very soft. So now all you do is you take your dressing. I'll mix it up again. And of course we're not going to use it all because that's quite a bit. See how nice and thick it is? So just drizzle this as much as you like over the salad and mix it up. See how nice and colorful it is? You serve this at a party or your family and friends. This is really good. I love the taste of this. And you can let it sit maybe about 15-20 minutes and let all the flavors meld together. I can eat just this, a lot of it. It's really delicious. See, everything's, you can kind of smell this. Smells really nice and tarty. So I'll taste some of this. Just get one of these bowls, it's okay. Maybe the garlic here. Okay. Just take a little bit of each. So there's no real recipe for this as far as the vegetables. It's just, you know, use what you have. But the bread, you'll see how crunchy it is. Now some of the bread pieces may be a little crunchier than others. So very good. So very easy to do. All you need to do is just cut up all the veggies, mix it up. This is a good recipe for children to help make it. Very simple. Okay. So if you like this recipe, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any requests for me to make, let me know. So thank you for watching. Mahalo.